Today we're going to talk about spices and the subscription I think every cook, at least home cook, should subscribe to and have in their kitchen. I love spices and herbs and everything in between. I try to grow a lot of my own. I have rosemary, lavender, basil, sage, and whatever I can put in my garden that year. I think storing is the hardest part about having a lot of spices and herbs that you want to cook with and try out. But I found these little jars at Target of all places, and I have put all of my spices and herbs in these, and they fit perfectly in the drawer. They're just big enough to dip a tablespoon in, but also small enough that I can fit them in a drawer nicely. I recently found a subscription that I think every home cook should have, which is a subscription to spices and herbs from a company called Curio. It's called the Secret Spice Society, and they send you a once a month spice or herb or blend that they put together with recipes that you can try. And this month they sent a blend called Vaudevan, and it is a French take on a curry. So we're trying the chickpea and cauliflower curry, and we're gonna use a lot of this spice. Honestly, you could just roast vegetables with the spice and it was super good. I would have just stopped there and eaten the roasted vegetables, but I wanted to try the full recipe. So we're just mixing up some onions, garlic, a pepper, tomatoes, a bunch of different spices and herbs, and then we're going to add coconut milk and we're going to let it cook down. And that was basically the curry. Honestly, I don't think this was the best curry recipe. You could use this with more traditional recipes and it would be great. I just didn't like this recipe in particular. But the spice and everything else that I have tried so far with this blend has been awesome, and I highly recommend this subscription.